What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. So, in 2 days, I'm about to go in for another procedure. That's 2 days my time. This is supposed to help out and finalize some of the work we've been putting in over these last couple months. Looking up for it and forward to it. Hey, the blue truck just passed by. There we go. Been missing him for the last little bit. Must have worked on his muffler. I didn't really hear him. Anyway, today we're doing up shrimp chimichangas. Look at the burrito size my wife got me to wrap with. These are the extra large size. They're the size of my head. This is going to be a large chimichanga. We're doing up hashtag Cinco Food. It's running from May 4th to May 6th, which May 6th is my birthday. So, happy birthday to me. Today, we're also going to use up some of Dax no salt seasoning. This is the taco flavor. Really tastes like you're eating some tacos seasoning. You don't really need the salt. It's got paprika, ancho chili peppers, garlic, onions, black pepper, red pepper, and other spices in there. You don't really need all the salt to have great flavor. Your ingredients for your shrimp chimichangas: 1 burrito flour tortilla, some sharp cheddar cheese, shrimp, Dax no salt seasoning, pinto beans, some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, if you want to go ahead and kick it up an extra notch, and an egg for an egg wash if you want to go that route to make sure that the flour tortilla sticks. If you don't want to do that, by all means don't have the egg. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and warm up these pinto beans. Put some of those in, put the whole can in. Throw in some of that Dax seasoning. Oh yeah, it's smelling real good, that seasoning. Got a nice Mexican flavor. Go ahead and start warming these beans up. Let that go for a couple minutes. Beans are all warmed up now, so we're going to go ahead and move them to a bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and cook our shrimp. Go ahead and put some olive oil down in the pan. Get our shrimp in the pan. And throw on some of that taco seasoning. Now that we're halfway done with cooking the shrimp, we're going to go ahead and throw in some of this chipotle and adobo paste. And we're done. Going to go ahead now and put these shrimp in this container here. And we're going to get started building our chimichangas. Went ahead and cleaned the pot out. Go ahead and start pouring in some grease. Using some vegetable oil here. Go ahead and start warming that up while we build the chimichangas. Time to build that shrimp chimichanga. First thing first, we're going to lay down a bed of cheese. Then we're going to throw down some of these pinto beans. Next, we're going to throw down some of these shrimp. Or we're going to say scrimps, like we're from the bayou. I'm going to hit it up just a little bit. We're going to throw one of these chipotle peppers on there too. There we go. Now, I'm going to do an egg wash. Some people don't do an egg wash. Some people be commenting, why ain't you doing an egg wash? I'm going to do an egg wash. Just to say I did an egg wash. Some people might not want to do an egg wash. Some people will do an egg wash. There we go. There's your chimichanga. This one's an extra large chimney. You can do a small chimney. Big chimney, little chimney, everybody chimney. Oil's up the temp, so we're going to go ahead and put this in. There we go. Gonna let it fry now. Go ahead and flip this over. Oh, look at that crust. Looking beautiful. Just about a minute, and then we're going to pull it. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Well, as you saw, the mama had some babies. Saw the little snack size ones in the fridge and thought, might as well make some little smalls while we're at it. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Nice and crunchy, cheesy, got that taco flavor all throughout. Little bit of spice thanks to that chipotle. Oh, so good. Can't love this enough. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Remember, #CincoFood. Thank you and have a good day.